Welcome back to Cooking with Cameron. For the first time in 4 years, we're gonna be making a smoothie today. Grab your preferred frozen fruit, whether it is strawberries, bananas, frozen blueberries, anything will do. Your preferred milk, honey for sweetness, and yogurt. I prefer vanilla, but any type of yogurt will do. And grab your trusty smoothie maker blender. I forgot that word. Okay.
It's a magic bullet.
It's a magic bullet.
Magic bullet. Ninja.
We're gonna throw all of our ingredients in here. Frozen fruit, bit of yogurt. It's gonna get full really fast. This could probably feed like 2 people. Smoothies are really filling, so could feed a lot of people. Just a tiny smidge of honey because the fruit already makes it sweet, so you don't really need that much honey. And then milk, probably around halfway, and let's blend it up. To put that on there tight, and smoothie. Looks like it's blending up in there nicely. Make sure it keeps going. There we go. Now we have to wait. Papa. And that should be good. Let's twist the top off here. Give it a taste. That's a really good smoothie. Papa, do you want to try it?
Sure, I'd love some, but go ahead. Let me just start off for